going on, y'all? Today I'm gonna be reviewing the Los Angeles Lakers, and as of today, it's the NBA Finals. Okay, 2K got the Pacers winning. Fair enough. Pascal, and if the Pacers do win today, Pascal really does deserve the MVP, and that's why I wanted to rebuild him. I wanted to get LeBron one more before he retired. Actually, all y'all coming back. I don't care. That's enough. Um. I'm just gonna go to the draft lottery. We have pick. Oh, what pick do we have? Yeah, no pick. Yeah, duh. Go ahead. Like, oh, whatever, LeBron. You got it. This is for you. Nah, yeah. You can't tell I did not be playing my league. I did not need to give him. I did not need to give him all that money for that. I would not be playing my league. I should have. Alex Wayne can go. We got 1 year to do this. I can't believe I gave him all that money. I can't believe I just did that. 3 years to still come back. Hmm, that's not too bad. That's not too bad at all. Oh, anyways, the biggest thing is definitely a big man. Do I want Drummond back on the team? What did you do last year, Drummond? I mean, stop, solid, kind of. Luke Cornett, no. Hayes, we already tried that. It's like, that's beautiful. Oh, I didn't get out that. Oh, is this gonna mess everything up? Let me make sure I got my people. I was not on tweaking. Okay, so point. Dude, why is it like that? Point, shooting guard. Okay, okay. Hopefully, don't connect. Can I don't like Rui though. Rui might be in the trade. And no big man. Got you. So we didn't get Drummond. That's unfortunate. Luca is going to go down at 26 years old. Oh, oh no. Oh, he's broad. He's getting good. Okay, so the strategy, I think Luca and Austin Reeves. I like Austin Reeves going down too. I kind of want just a big man that can help alongside those two. And I know the big three is not as fair since they try to get Westbrook. I just think Westbrook was the wrong person to get in this situation. But I do think they need somebody that's um that's really good. And look at this, man. Oh man, yeah. Okay, let's do it. Let's go all in. I would say since this is LeBron's last year though, and I want him to get championship, this isn't gonna be realistic. I'll try to make a realistic one in the future, but this one I can definitely say it's not gonna be realistic. What can we get? Mm, hmm? was that? Mikal Bridges is. I I just went past Mikal Bridges like that was like, am I crazy? I have to do that, right? Because this is what I was looking. I was like, okay, I said, well, he's not really bounding to injured a lot. But I mean, hell is not realistic. Oh, this is my little proof. I don't really be playing my league yet. Copy. I don't want to give up. Honey though. What about, they like it. Oh, all right, the TP trade. Ah, it's gonna have to be Barney. It's gonna be Angel. Yeah, it's gonna have to be Barney. I'm crazy if I really give up. Okay, we're gonna add more now. But that helps. That helps a lot. You don't need that. That helps a lot. I'm sorry, I gotta do it. I gotta do it. Now that's a crazy trade from them, but I got Reeves my PG off the bench. Oh, it's just a white boy lineup of doom, which makes Gabe Vincent expendable. Okay. I like that move a lot for us though. Power forward is kind of weak. Let's see if we can upgrade that position. Ooh, I'm struggling. I hate how when you press out, it takes all the way out. Okay, yeah, I think we just rock out like this for the time being. Let's just see what happens. Game one, mm, do I want him getting minutes? That's a great question. Oh, no, he might even get one. He should get minutes though. Mm, of course he does. 5-3 right now. Ooh, 6 to 8 weeks. 1 6 to 8 weeks. Ooh, Lonzo, Jalen Smith. Lonzo and Jalen Smith. I did when the who's on my team? My team. I can move LeBron, Lonzo, and Luca is kind of nice. 26-8-7, 24-8-7. That's, I mean, 25-8-7. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Mikhail might have to go. He's doing his big man duties. Road, so he ain't been playing. And then Lonzo pretty decent. Oh, I don't want Devin Smith though. I was doing. Jordan solid. Oh, I'm not doing. Oh, I'm tweaking. I'm tweaking. When is the trade deadline? or Luka. Oh man, Austin Reeves too. Close your eyes. Ah, the team is so bad. I just need something. I just need something. I ain't done though. Oh, I'm definitely not done. This is nasty. Make sure you got it done. Nobody wants you. I would do a 1 for 1. 6'9", two. Nah, it's like this. We could do anything. I can't trade. Blah blah blah. Dorton. Oh, Dorton is hooping. Yeah, Dorton. He not the reason I gotta keep that. Hey, you don't got a big enough contract. I thought he was gonna be good in this league. I can't do nothing. Ah, I need Gabe to get back from injury soon. Can Gabe please come back? Please. That's really what we banking on. This team is so bad. This team is so bad. Yeah, yo, I realize I messed up real bad. I messed up real bad. Yes. Oh man, now the team is looking like that. Trey Dorian for backup big man. And then I just got rock up with the team I got. Pray a miracle happens. Oh, it's still in my. Oh yeah, it's not even got any trades. Yo. So this is what the team is looking like at the end of the day. Mm, all messed up. I messed up bad. And you know what? Yeah, you don't need to get a minute. You don't need to get minutes. So, oh, this is oof. Hey, let's right up to the playoffs. MVP Jokic. Could say that surprise Cooper flag. See that too. Anthony Simons off the bench. Who started in front of him? Interesting. Wendy, DPOY, Mobley, most improved. I went down, right? I'm not tripping. Trae Young clutch makes sense. We did not. Anybody? Luca. You got Luca man. What crazy season. No, there's LeBron. No, no. Okay. I mean, we ended up being the fifth seed, so I think we had a better second half than the beginning. Tyrese Maxey came in and did his thing. This is some good stuff. Ooh, LeBron, Obi, Drummond, anybody. We had a lot of injuries. Look, we had a lot of injuries. How long is it ago? 6 weeks. What? What? Oh man, that's a big hit to the team. I mean, it's not else we can do now. Just get ready for playoffs. Game one, no, we got to go up against OKC. Why does everybody get injured so much in this? We not doing that though. We not. We got anybody that put on Shea? Um, yeah, here we go. Oh, no, we don't. Huh? Shea just gotta get his. Oh, this is it. I'm terrible at my job. All right, game two. Listen, cast it. Oh no. Okay. Ooh, 41 points from LeBron. Tyrese this thing, Luca. This big 30 is not. That's what's out here, y'all. I mean, You tell me Jalen Williams had 25? That's why it was a close game. Here you go. Let's do it. Oh no. Come on. Come on. Come on. Fight back. Fight back. I ain't even care about the stats. Oh, they gonna tie it up. Okay. 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 Tied. Tied. It's tied. It's tied. Oh, Luca is trying. Tyrese is trying. It's just too much. The team is too good. The team, I bet, is just not shake is getting down like that too. And we losing. Yeah, everything for the season. I mean, for the playoffs. Nine on good of it. Well, eh, LeBron, Goldie, Tyrese is man. I'm sorry, Obi. Uh, this is your playoffs. How many injuries do you have day to day for Ubre? We need this game so bad. Come on. No, no. Oh, oh, crazy cut. I thought he was cooked. I thought he was cooked, y'all. They're talking about some give Shea Milton less minutes. Dorian, I should have traded you. I should have traded you. You're not doing bad. Wow. We're one game away from being OKC. And a trade just popped up on my phone in real time. KD got traded to the Rockets. So Man, I'm excited to see how next season's gonna be. Oh my gosh, we're going to a game 7. Oh, they tried, but OKC is too good. Why is we playing him right now? Isaiah just never came back, and neither did Cooper. You can play. You're not doing that to me. What am I talking about? Why am I acting like I need you? What am I trying to do? This is all or nothing. This is all or nothing. Oh, game 7. Beginning close. No, no, no. I just failed. I just failed. No, no. Well, I did what I could. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. This is sad, man. This is sad. Let me know what team I should do next. And until next time.